Dr. Dylan Hammes from Total Health Chiropractic, and today I want to talk about the differences between active or corrective chiropractic and preventive or maintenance type chiropractic care. So chiropractic in general stands on three pillars. There's the science, which supports the fact that our body has an innate intelligence inside of it that controls and coordinates every cell, tissue, and organ through our nervous system. There's the philosophy that is the general understanding that our bodies can heal and overcome most things as long as we give it the right stuff and remove the interference. And then there's the art, which is the practical way that we apply our assessment and diagnosis and treatment through manual adjustments to free up the nervous system and allow the body to heal. Now, there's a couple different types of chiropractic care in terms of how we classify things. Active or corrective chiropractic care is often sought after an injury when a patient experiences some sort of pain. It's usually a short-term approach aimed at relieving immediate discomfort, restoring ideal function, and getting a person back to optimal alignment. On the other hand, preventive or maintenance care is all about your long-term health. It's where we want everybody to be. It involves regular checkups and, if necessary, adjustments, usually at least once a month. This is to maintain spinal alignment and prevent future problems. The major difference is the goals. Active care addresses specific problems and symptoms, while maintenance care focuses on sustaining overall health and preventing problems before they happen. Active care offers immediate pain relief and recovery support. Maintenance care contributes to long-term wellness. It contributes to long-term improved posture and reduced risk of future injuries. Again, this is where we want everybody to eventually be. So both approaches play a really important role in our overall health. Active care is great for getting you back to normal and getting rid of your pain. Maintenance care is great for preventing future issues. We do both at Total Health Chiropractic. I say most chiropractors do both, but you should always consult with your chiropractor to determine what the best approach for your needs specifically are. A good chiropractor is going to ask you what your goals are and base their plan of attack off of that. So as always, we're always here to answer any questions if you need anything. Thanks for watching this video, and keep smiling.